never drilled a hole in a car before, and I'm now realizing this is way more nerve-wracking than I thought it would be.
Water if you want.
Hey Matt.
Faster, huh? Stop. Fucking crank the speed up, yo. Yeah?
See, he micromanages everything.
Nice. I don't think this is very strong. Track me like that.
I might kill him.
Yeah, make it straight.
Now the question is, how do I finish it off? I need a hammer. Got a big ass hole. You can see, posty.
You can almost see it over here, or maybe over here. See that?
Oh yeah. The moment of truth. For fuck's sake. What's on face? Shit. Tell you what, you decide to do a van build with an electrician so that you don't have to do any of the complicated stuff, and he fucks off. Go to work. So then this is gonna go poorly. Alright, since I've been hired on as the full-time electrician, gonna attempt to put this bad boy in. It's gonna be the power from outside, so it's the 250 volt. And that's the hole I drilled yesterday. And now this complicated part. I'll give you a little story time while I'm attempting to do this. Last time I did any type of electrical work was on a car I was building when I was 16. I took two totaled Land Rovers and put them together to make one running one. And when I say running, I mean running, but maybe not the best of its capability. And so every now and again it would just shut down. It was an automatic, but it just shut down in the middle of an intersection or something like that. And it's because I didn't properly do the electronics. So Matt is putting a lot of trust in me by doing this, or maybe he just wants to have a good laugh. Anyway, see what happens. Hopefully it turns out better than my last attempt at doing electrical work. Can't say I've gotten any better at it since I was 16, but happy days. Right. Now the inside. You see this? I've been working on the van all day, and he comes in for the glory. Just screws it.
I don't like that, eh? That catches the top. Yeah, okay, I wouldn't be getting this one again. Yeah. This I like.
I am wrecked. Yesterday we finished a bit of the wall, I'll show you. But I was so tired, couldn't film it. But voila, all the way up to the cupboard. It was a pain in the butt, but that part's done. So I've got just a little bit left of the wall to do. But I'm wrecked. I spent all this morning at the mechanics because the engine light has been on and off, and the van's just been doing some weird things, but I suppose that's what you get for a cheap van that was sitting for so long on someone's property. So, gonna try and finish this and then deal with the engine later. Hopefully, yeah, get that sorted. I'm hoping that the wall doesn't fall off when I take these out. This was just to let the glue set, but I was pretty tired when it all happened, so. Oh, we're looking up. Oh, yeah boy. Yeah boy.